Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make hair gel, also known as styling gel, at home. And so if you're new to this channel, I suggest to subscribe so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Hair gel or styling gel, as it is popularly called, is basically used to set your hair in a specific style while it is still damp or wet. It is a product with ultimate staying power. This is a hair styling product that helps to harden the hair into any particular shape or style. And just like I said earlier, I'm going to take you through the process of how to produce hair gel at home. But before we go through the main process, let's go through the safety precautions you will take in this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Hair gel can be made with the following materials. These are capable or carboma, caustic soda, ethanol, propylene glycol, distilled water, perfume, preservative and color. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 100 gram of hair gel. Capable or carboma 7 gram, caustic soda 1 teaspoon, ethanol 5 ml, propylene glycol 15 ml, distilled water 200 ml, perfume 3 ml, preservative 3 ml and color 1 teaspoon. Now these are the materials. This is capable, also known as carboma. This is caustic soda. This is ethanol, and this is propylene glycol. This is the water we're going to use, and it is distilled water. Make sure you make use of distilled water. This is perfume, and this is color. In this preparation, just like I said earlier, we're not using any preservative, but if you want to use preservative for yours, make sure you use Gamma Plus. Now measure about 200 ml of distilled water and dissolve the capable in it. Stir for about 15 to 30 minutes. You have to be very patient. Dissolving capable in water to form a gel takes quite some time. And please note that the distilled water used here has a pH of 7. If the distilled water has a lower or higher pH, you can add triethanol amine (TEA) to bring the pH to a neutral level. At pH 7, capable or carboma dissolve well in water. Now continue to stir until all the capable dissolves in the water and a gel is formed. Now dissolve a teaspoon of caustic soda in water and add just 5 ml of the solution of caustic soda to it and continue stirring. Now you can add your ethanol. You can also add your propylene glycol. Now you can add your perfume. At this point, if you're using preservative Gamma Plus, you can add to it now. But here, just like I said earlier, we're not using any preservative. Now you can add your color to your taste. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our hair gel is ready. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.